Okay. All right, so if we have our little car, maybe, whoops, maybe about here. I'm not gonna glue these down or anything yet because I want to make sure that's where I want them. And then this can be here, so that's a covered bridge. I'm gonna have to put some water or something down here. Like that. Do I like that side? Actually, this side looks a little nicer. Like that. So then our little buddy car will be coming down the road, and he might have a little egg car behind him towing. Yeah, I think that'd be cute. Might keep it all blue. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, but I just wanted to get an idea of where my path is going to go. So now I've got some white and some pink, and I'm just going to marbleize these together. So you can kind of twist them. And what I thought might be fun is if we roll this out, and if you have an egg-shaped cutter or oval, that would be fantastic. I have them, I just didn't bring them because I kind of thought of this on the way here. So what I want to do, I'll use one of these big ones. I'm going to use this leaf one here. And I'm just going to cut a whole bunch of these. And then what I want to do is just actually elongate it a little bit, like that. And then it can be like a little Easter egg path. And I do have one large round cutter that I'm going to mix some big ones with some small ones. That way it's not going to take forever. Oops, there's two in there. And then I have this little cutter here. See how this is a strip cutter, and usually we'll cut like that. But I thought if I just take it and kind of go across like this, then they really do look like the Easter eggs. So this is an FMM, like I said, FMM strip cutter. So I'm just going to do a whole bunch of these and a few larger ones, and then we can make our path. Okay, so here's a larger circle cutter so that I can kind of make this go a little quicker. So see how I just pulled that end up a bit? Same thing, use this, and then I will be able to, let me move this out of the way, make my path like this with all the different little eggs. I'm not attaching them yet. I want to make sure that that's where I want them. I think I'll have all the, see how I have the points going? I think I'll keep that pattern, keep them all going the same direction. All right, so inside the bridge, I need to put a road in there, and I'm not going to do the eggs. I'm just going to do some cobblestone. So I'm going to take this and roll, and a little cornstarch. And I'm going to keep it a little thick to fill in some of that area there inside. And that should be good. Then I'll take this, and the length of the mat should be plenty. It's probably even a little longer than I need. You can either just push on it or roll with your roller. And then I will use, you can use pizza cutter or what have you to cut the sides. And I know I won't need it to be that long, but I can always cut it after I place it in. Okay, so I'm not going to put anything in there, that way I can move it if I need to. And because this egg isn't even attached. So I'm going to take some chocolate and actually attach the egg like so. And then I can take this piece, kind of fold it a little bit. Okay, pull that out. I'm going to move these little eggs over.